Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft 365 Publisher, Part 2 of Insert tab, Part 4 of 8 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Project, Advertisement, Tables Group, Insert Table and Create Table, Table Design tab, Fill Command, Format Table dialog box, Scheme Color, Transparency, Line Command, Size, Layout, and Cell Properties. Borders, Border Lines, Color of border lines, and Selection of border lines. Illustration Group, Shapes and Picture Holder. Arrange Group, Bring Forward and Send Back. Building Blocks, Page Parts, Calendar, Add Border, and Advertisement. Header and Footer Group, Header, Footer, and Page Number. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two open windows at the same time, please see Microsoft 365 Publisher Video 1. Insert tab, Part 2. Tables command. Clicking on the Tables command opens this dialog box. Drag the cursor across the rows and columns to create the table size you need. Or you can click on Insert Table and this Create Table box will open. Fill in the number of rows and columns you need. The Table Design tab becomes active. The table you have selected is now in the workspace area. You can increase the height and width by placing the cursor in a corner and dragging the arrow outward to increase the size. Arrow is shown in red for the tutorial. With Fill command, you can change the background color. It can be all one color or every cell can be different. Clicking the small arrow opens the Format Table dialog box. When you click the arrow for color, the Scheme Color dialog box opens. If you do not see a color you like, click on More Colors. Use the slider for transparency. Preview, click OK. Line command works the same way using a slider. Select the width of the line by using the arrow or typing in the field. You can also adjust the size of your table by using the Size tab. Format Table also has a Layout tab for positioning and text wrap, Cell Properties tab for alignment and text box margins, Width of the border lines, Color of border lines, Selection of border lines. Illustrations Group. See video number 1 for pictures and online pictures. Click on the star shape, then click on the workspace while holding down the left mouse button. Drag the cursor upward and to the right to draw the star. Release the button when you have the star the size you want. Click off the star to remove the selection handles. Once you draw the Shape Format tab is displayed. Insert Shape Group displays the list of shapes available. You can edit shape, change shape, or edit text. Clicking on Shape Styles opens this drop-down. Shape Fill fills the entire shape with color. Shape Outline only colors the outline. Shape Effects command is similar to the Format table. Insert tab Illustrations Group. After clicking on Picture Placeholder, the Picture Format tab opens. Picture Placeholder reserves a space so a picture can later be added. To add the picture, click on the icon and select the picture. Pictures command, Insert Picture dialog box opens. Corrections command, lighting adjustments and more. Recolor command, change color of the picture and other options. Compress Picture command, compress picture. Change Picture command, change or remove picture. Reset Picture command, reset picture. Picture styles is picture frame, picture border color, picture effects, and captions. Arrange Group. Same as layout on table format. Select an object, click Shape Format tab, click the Align command and select the object to align on the page. Rotate text or objects. Use the size group to adjust size of an object or text box. Bring forward and send back commands. Draw 3 shapes. Does not matter if they're all the same shape or if they are different colors. Because the star was drawn first, it can only be moved forwards. The yellow triangle, the second object drawn, remains in the middle or can be moved forward or backwards. The square, the last object drawn, can only be moved backwards. To rearrange the shapes example, select the green square, then click Send to the back. Select the yellow triangle, drag and drop the triangle on top of the green square. Select red star, then click Bring to front, drag and drop on top of the triangle. Insert tab. Select headings, quotes, sidebars, and more. Highlight the text and type over it to create something new. Create a calendar, add a border to a document, use a template to create your own advertisement. Insert tab. Master Page tab opens when header or footer is selected. You can create master pages, apply to all pages or current page, duplicate, or rename. To close the Master Page tab, click the red X on the white background. Insert text, date and time, name, etc. into the header section. Insert text, page numbers, and other information into the footer section. Page number dialog box. Project Advertisement. Click on Advertisement command and select an advertisement. Once selected, it will be automatically inserted into the workspace area. When the advertisement appears in the workspace area, the following tabs will become active: the Shape Format tab, the Text Box tab, and the Picture Format tab. For text to practice with, you either must copy and paste text onto the workspace or type a few paragraphs. You can choose to leave the advertisement in the location it was inserted at and work on it or move it. Use the selection handles to enlarge the advertisement for editing. Go to the View tab and put a check mark in the box next to Boundaries. On the left is a template without boundaries. On the right is a template displaying the boundaries. Let's begin with the picture. When you click on the template picture, it becomes a placeholder. You can insert the picture now or later. Picture has been inserted. To change the text, highlight the text in each text box and enter your business information. Looks good, doesn't it? Except for one thing, the pyramid. If right-clicking on the pyramid and using Delete Object deletes everything but the picture, use Undo to recover. Right-click on the pyramid but select Change Picture and then click Remove Picture. Pyramid is gone. Only the selection handles remain. To remove the selection handles, simply click off the picture. The new advertisement for the bakery is ready to be printed out or can be inserted into a document. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Publisher, Insert Tab Part 2, Part 4 of 8 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 4. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 5 through 8 of Microsoft Publisher 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.